Yeah, so the house across the street. So I just pulled Parker up. This the pictures what it look like. It's secured. You know, they be chilling sitting on the porch. The one to the left just sold for 50,000, and they still need to gut it. They finally got them out. They had been squatting since I bought mine. That was 2019. Cause they the ones who kept going in my house. So I done gutted it, so it's just ready to be put back together. That's why I'm like, my estimate is at least 215. I already know it. Cause I need a roof, everything. I'm not gonna keep the garage. I'm gonna tear that down because it ain't no point. They can park on the street and just refence everything off across the alley. But the one across the street, they done gutted it, redid it. That boy was listed for 298. It was a single they turned into, I mean the two family they turned into a single. But I don't
Yeah,
remember the address.
we getting a lot of people doing that too, turning to two families. We seeing that a lot in the Bagley area and over on the east side.
It
Over,
makes sense.
yeah,
My only issue with people doing it, some of them ain't doing the house right. Like they not